Air Italy plans to expand its wings further in the Indian market.
We believe that we have a great opportunity to serve the Indian market from Delhi and Mumbai. I think both cities are very important cities, and there is a demand for both cities, both from Italy and from India to Italy. So we can see strengthening the markets, we can see expanding eventually, and potential growth.
For the second consecutive year, India ranked number 1 on Travelport's Global Digital Traveller League for having the most digitally advanced travellers.
Traveltv.news is a real great channel. It gives you very accurate information on destinations, new trends, visas. It's just a 2 or a 2.5 minute video that you see, but very informative and very good for the travel trade. I normally pass the same to all my colleagues in the trade, and it's of great help.
Akquasun Group with Atout France organised a reunion island workshop.
We have partnered with the Reunion Tourism Body and we are conducting roadshows and a workshop. In fact, it's a workshop since we have a DMC into Mauritius. It's very convenient for that people into travel and from Mauritius into Reunion. We are mostly looking into youngsters, honeymooners, and we are going to look into small wedding groups.
Post Srinagar Skal Chapter, the association plans to open more chapters in India.
Right away there's Amravati, which is coming up after this. Bhopal is also in line, and Jaipur was our initiative 3 to 4 years back. It didn't happen. So I think this will happen in the short term.